In this video, we'll go through the advanced features of Heycollab. If you have not watched the beginner or intermediate demos or had a chance to work in Heycollab, I'd strongly recommend doing that first. Heycollab allows you to customize your workspace with custom tags. Custom tags are visual tags applied to tasks to help visualize and organize big projects. Let's go through a practical example. The task UI design has two tags, one for priority as urgent and another for effort as low. On the quality assurance task, I have a tag for printer notes with a message. On the walkthrough screen task, I have a value of 3,500. These tags are also carried on to the list view where I can further customize which fields I want to show. Creating custom tags is easy. Just open any task, click on custom fields, create a new field, label it, and select the type of field you want to create. Now, each task in Heycollab has a task number assigned to it. For instance, the sign-up workflow has a task number of TTA-170. To search for a specific task number, click the search and type in the digits part of that task, in this case, 170. Custom labels help keep the stages of your work in place, and they will directly impact the reports generated in the work section. To create a custom label, click on the task label icon and select Create Label. Give it a name and select the color. Here's how labels are connected to the work section. If I head over to the work section, notice how all work for each member is organized into these tags. If you ever need to see visually when a project will be completed, head over to the timeline view. Here, you can expand and shorten the length of a task or simply move it. In order for tasks to appear here, you'll need to first set a date range. The color of the task will be based on the label that task has set. If you have multiple teams and have created more than one account in Heycollab, you can sign in and switch between them here. As you build workspaces for departments, projects, or clients, you are able to choose what shows for each workspace. By default, each workspace will have the messages, tasks, and files show. However, you can choose to turn some of these off here. Lastly, managing and seeing what your team's workload is and specifically what your team is working on is crucial. In the Work tab, you'll get a snapshot of how many tasks are assigned to each member and what their workload is like. If you need to assign new tasks to members across any workspace, you can do it directly from here.